Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. Going to take a quick look at a case for the S21 Ultra. Now this case is unique because it has a place for the S Pen. Now it's made by SUPCASE. They make great cases, pretty durable. This one does not have a built-in screen protector, but they do make some that do. This one with the S Pen does not. But we're going to go ahead and take a look at this and see what it's all about. All right, let's get started. Okay, you can get this from Amazon. It's the SUPCASE UV Pro case for the S21 Ultra without screen protector, full body layer protection, rugged holster, and an S Pen slot. All right, that's what it looks like right there. You get them in different colors, blue, black, kind of amethyst color right there, the red color. $24.99 on Prime. All right, now I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, let's take this out of the box. Regular box here for Unicorn Beetle. For SUPCASE, it's pretty standard. Here we get the case here. You get a holster. Let's peel this out. All right. Got a little card there that inserting this case face up will damage the holster. Okay, so you can't set this face up. It's got to be facing the back of the holster. All right, that's the way you do it. Okay. All right, but you got a nice feel to the case. Rubber sides right here. The buttons right there are covered. You got a cover for the charging port. You got your speaker right there, and you got your S Pen slot right here. It's interesting how this works. So got a little hole up top. I think that's where you slide it into. That's pretty cool. And you got your mic holes up there. And you got your kickstand at the back. Sometimes this is hard to get open initially, but this one wasn't easy to get out. All right. And you got this little industrial look back here with these little bolts here. Camera's going to be raised up, well protected, and you know the lip's going to be protected as well. All right, but no screen protector in this one. Okay. I'm going to take this piece out, and we'll get ready to put this case inside. Okay, so we got the case apart right now. Let's go ahead and put this on. I usually put this on first. All right, then we slide this, sit this inside the rubber area here, get that like that, and just put this all around the sides to get the rubber around there, and everything fits in nicely. Okay, now you want to take this off. You find this little gap right here in the corner, and you peel it off that way right there. Okay, now the charging port, everything lined up. You see that right there. You can cover it up. Got your speaker right there, and nothing on this side except the S Pen right here. Got your volume button right there, volume down rocker, and your mic holes all lined up nicely right there. Camera well protected, you see that. And you got your kickstand, so you can watch movies. This sits nice in this case too. Let me see. You can't, let me see, I don't think you can lock it. Yeah, you can lock it. You can put it that way in portrait mode as well. Okay. And so you got multiple angles you can watch this. You can use this to watch things on, right? So that's always and then you can use this to hold the device. All right, so you got a little holder right there as well, right? You use it to get around your device, so that's pretty cool. And this is nice and smooth. It's opened up nicely. Okay, so that looks good. This looks good in this blue too. Now, you put the holster inside. They said you can't put it in this way, all right? You got to put it in this way, all right? So you put it in that way right there, and because otherwise you're going to damage the case if you don't do that right. If you don't do it right, so that's the way you do this in 360-degree swivel. Nice 30 swivel right there, so that works out pretty well. And it's a nice setup right there. All right, now we're gonna get the S Pen and we're gonna put it inside and see how that looks. All right. All right, here's the S Pen for the S21 Ultra right here. So you slide it in this hole right here, and it's nice and snug. That's nice right there. All right, that works out really nice. Okay, so this is a good case for the S21 Ultra. If you're using the S Pen with it, you can have it with you all the time. It's nice, and it feels good. I mean, it has a little bit of bulk, but not too much. And it feels nicer than the silicone case from Samsung, and even the speaking case. This feels better, and you're gonna get more protection with this as well, right? But this S Pen is fit in there pretty secure. It's not coming out. You can see that. So that's pretty cool. Now to get it out, you just slide it up and grab it from the top right there, and you're good to go. All right. So you put it in, and it's like it can go in any way. I mean, I didn't have a specific way I put it in there, but this is kind of flat a little bit, but Just put it in there and you're good to go. Nice snug fit, not too tight. All right, but that's nice. Now this, depending on how you put, well, it didn't slide. It's not sliding at all. All right, so that's pretty cool. I like this. All right, nice case. Okay, let's check out wireless charge and see how that works. Okay, so it picks up wireless charge, no problem there. Just stand it up and see what happens when we put that on there. So it picks up wireless charge that way as well. Let's lay it down and see what happens when we lay it down sideways. All right, let's put it down this way. Let's see what happens. So I didn't get any wireless charge in that way, in laying it down that way, but definitely laying down and standing up, you get wireless charge on it. Okay, see, no problem. So the case will wireless charge. Okay, so that was a quick look at the S21 Ultra case, the Unicorn Beetle, the S Pen case for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Pretty nice case. I think if you like to carry the S Pen, is a good way to do that. It's nicely done, all right? Now, if you got any questions, hit me in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ.